Now we are going to see Basidiomycota. It is one of the second biggest phylum, followed by Ascomycota. And now we'll see the general characters. What are all the fungi that comes under Basidiomycota? So my name is N.H. Shankar Reddy, and I am doing a PhD plant pathology in Annamalai University. So coming to the general characters, so Basidiomycota is otherwise called as club fungi. Club fungi. So cell wall is made up of chitin plus glucan. So here the most diagnostic feature of a Basidiomycota is the presence of basidiospores, which are formed above the basidium. That is the most prominent and diagnostic feature for Basidiomycota. In here, septate mycelium. Mycelium is of septate type. Dolichopore septa and clamp connection are usually present. Here, whereas the Dolichopore septa and clamp connection is usually absent in Ascomycota, whereas Dolichopore septa and clamp connection are usually present in Basidiomycota with extensive dikaryotic phase is the most prominent diagnostic feature of Basidiomycota, whereas crozier formation is absent in Basidiomycota, but Dolichopore septum and clamp connection is usually present. So whereas Ascomycota produces 8 ascospore, whereas in each basidia, in Basidiomycota, each basidia produces 4 basidiospores. That is the most diagnostic symptom, one of the diagnostic feature of Basidiomycota. So here the basidiospores are produced exogenously, which means outside the basidia. In Ascomycota, whereas ascospores are produced endogenously, which means inside. In here, the Basidiomycota, where basidiospores are produced exogenously, that is outside. So here every Basidiomycota produce 4 basidiospores. Here the sex organs are lack in Basidiomycota, which means almost sexual reproduction is mainly by plasmogamy, karyogamy, and meiosis. There is no separate sexual reproduction. In sex organs are lacking in Basidiomycota, whereas in the sexual process is represented by plasmogamy, that is karyogamy, which is immediately followed by meiosis. Here, one of the important character that is the Dolichopore septa. As I told you, the Dolichopore septum and clamp connection are important and diagnostic feature of Basidiomycota. In a Dolichopore septum, which means I know it's a complex spore septa which is present in the middle of the hyphae. Why this Dolichopore septum in Basidiomycota? It ensures the dikaryotic condition. So to ensure the dikaryotic, you can see here that Dolichopore septa. So to ensure the dikaryotic condition, this Dolichopore septa helps to prevent or transfer of protoplasmic material from one side to another side. So due to this presence of this, what will happen? The protoplasmic material can't able to completely transfer from one side to another side. So if the protoplasmic completely transfer from one side to another side, what will happen? One side become completely empty. So to prevent it, this Dolichopore septa ensure the dikaryotic condition of hyphae. So now we will see the taxonomic classification that is comes under Basidiomycota, that is Agaricomycotina, here Agaricomycotina, Puccinio-mycotina, Istilagno-mycotina. These are almost all Agaricomycotina are fungi, almost all fungi, sorry, not fungi, that is mushrooms. So edible mushrooms are most cultivable mushrooms are comes under Agaricomycotina.